Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So since fall is right around the corner, I wanted to show you how I made my fall wreath for just under $15. For this project, you will need a 14-inch wreath form, a pack of pipe cleaners, 2 packs of deco mesh, 2 rolls of ribbon, a pack of fall leaves, 3 packs of decorative pumpkins, 3 floral fall picks, and this fall decoration. So I started by wrapping the pipe cleaner around the outer edge of the wreath. I alternated 2 on the first section and 1 on the next. Now I did the same to the inner wire, but this time I did 1 pipe cleaner to every 2 pipes I placed on the outside. After that, I started to twist the deco mesh into the pipe cleaners. I want to apologize that I am having some difficulties putting the deco mesh onto the pipe cleaners. This is my first time making a wreath, so please bear with me while I try to get everything straightened out. So for my wreath, I decided I want to alternate the deco mesh colors. That did make it a bit harder for me, but you can place them however you'd like. So I continued that all around the wreath, including on the inner wire, and then I moved on to the next step. So the next step will be cutting the ribbon. I am just eyeballing it. I'm not measuring anything, but I am using that piece of ribbon as a guide to cut all the other ones. So at this point, I decided that since they were all the same pattern, that I was going to add a different type of ribbon. Now, I already had this ribbon at home, and I decided to use that one. So as you can see, I'm not being precise whatsoever. I'm just using the pumpkin ribbons to guide me. So here I'm showing you how I cut the bows to have that cute design at the end. I'm using 2 pumpkin ribbons and 1 lace ribbon, and I'm putting the lace in between. All I did was just pinch them in the middle and secure them to the pipe cleaner. You want to do that all around the wreath, and I will show you what that looks like when it's finished. And this is what it looks like with only the ribbons on. Now, what I'm doing here is I am checking the back of the wreath to make sure that it is positioned the way that I would like it to be, because I am going to be gluing the pipe cleaners down so they won't move around. Alright, so what I did here is that I took the decorative pumpkins and I hot glued the fall leaves to the bottom, and it made them look like cute little flowers. They're so adorable. They are my favorite part of this whole project. Alright, and here are some more of the pumpkins that I made, and this glitter one is my favorite. At this point, I'm just choosing where the top is going to be, and I started placing the fall picks into the wreath and securing them in the back. Alright, so now what I'm doing is I'm playing around with the placement of the decorative pumpkins, and I'm just figuring out where I'm going to put them down so I can secure them to the back. And now that I found exactly where I want to place the decorations or the pumpkins, I am pinning them down, and what I decided to do was to clip the wooden stem on the back of the glitter pumpkins and hot glue them to the wreath. So I took off the center part of that decoration, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to hot glue 2 pipe cleaners, and then I'm going to put them through the wreath and secure them in the back. I did want to let you all know that all of the items that I got here were from Dollar Tree. Alright, and this is what it looks like all done. I love it so much. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. Please don't forget to share this video, subscribe to my channel, ring the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.